Hey guys, thanks for checking me out. Welcome. Today we're going to do a little pre-maintenance on our wood burner. It's about that time of the season. We're getting ready to light it up and start making some heat for the house. So take a minute, familiarize yourself with a particular unit you got. They're all the same pretty much. They just look a little different. So before I get started, I got a little draft door. The water shut off. Don't forget, if you didn't use a bucket, put a bucket over your chimney. It's going to stop the water from puddling and make a rust spot on the inside. Familiarize yourself with your stove. That's the best thing to do. I got this little screwdriver on my particular unit, which might be different than yours. I got a little door that opens up, a draft door that's controlled by the thermostat built into the actual central boiler unit itself. So it recommends that you maintenance it or WD-40. So I got WD-40 or this generic version of Walmart. Another thing to think about too is walk around and look at your stove, make sure there's no wet spots on the ground. If there's any wet spots like on your pad, you probably got a leak somewhere. After that, this is the door I'm talking about. It's a draft door, so they recommend that you lube it up. So give it a good lube. Go up and down with it a couple times. Lube the hinges too. Don't forget about lubing the hinges. Also, when the door opens, I'm going to lube that real good. Put a little lube up here where the door closes on the door opening. Then when you got your stove open, check it out. Make sure there's no water in the bottom. Any water that puddles in the bottom means you got a leak. That's not a good sign. So feel free to put some WD-40 on there. Like I said, go a little bit heavy. It's not going to hurt nothing. Here's my water level. My water level's up to there. I filled it up already. I used it a couple days ago. You're not going to be able to see really because how dirty my little marker is for doing it. So once you lube the door real good, everything moves freely. Add a little more. When you think you added enough, give it a little bit more. Work it a couple times. You'll be good to go. Come over to your control panel. Make sure there's no bees in here. When you open it up, there might be bees nests in here. So I'm just going to spray everything that's got metal on it. It's not going to really hurt nothing. We got some corrosion from brass. Over here, spray these little shut-off valves. Here's my on-off switch. Here's all the directions in here. There's supposed to be a tackle pump. Mine's in my basement because I retrofitted it to fit. Also, spray this up over here. A little door opener. It just makes everything so much easier. So don't be afraid to go a little heavy. It might smoke a little bit, but it's not going to hurt it. Then I'm going to lube this door too. I got to get all these cobwebs out of here. That's just where the door opens. Not going to hurt nothing. So that's the controller for my thing, my stove. Temperature, I'm going to come to the back real fast. I'm going to examine it, make sure there's no watermarks where I'm standing at. I'm just going to put some lube on everything. Because I paid $3 or $4 for the scan. So it's not going to hurt nothing. I'm just going to spray it up real good. And that's about it. I would also recommend that you go inside your house before you start your wood burner and actually make sure your actual heating source, your furnace, works by itself. So in case you're not home in the wintertime, you run out of wood, you might get stuck somewhere. Your home heating might turn on the gas itself off the thermostat in the house. You don't have to worry about pipes freezing up. So if you guys got any questions, comments, or concerns, or know some trick that I don't know, feel free to leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for checking me out. Hope this got started for you, give you some ideas. And like I said, don't forget, when you start your fire, to take your chimney cap off, or else it'll melt and be smelly. You guys have a great day. Hit me up in the comment section. I'll answer all questions for you. Thank you.